with another mother video. So I went on Fashion Nova, did me a nice little haul, got me a few different things. I want to try them on, show y'all what I'm liking, all that good stuff. So stay tuned, rate the outfits below. Thank you for subscribing, thanks for supporting. We in this thing. Let's go. Outfit number one. Definitely true to size. There's my up one. But it's not bad. A bunch of details.
No, ma'am. Queen, yes, queen, yes, queen! Yeah!
I like it too, baby.
This is my little color. I like it. So I did have to come back prematurely from my nails done. I got my nails taken off. I got my toes complete, but mommy duties were calling. I had to get my baby home so he could eat and piss and shit and all that. But so far, this is what I have. A very natural look. Almost look like I don't have anything done. They're gonna add some bling to it, but this is the before. Semi before. And can we just like mention how good my baby was in the nail salon? He did good at the mechanic also. He don't mind really sitting in his case as long as he know I'm around him. If I sit the case down or something and he realizes that I'm no longer there, that's when it's a problem. But for the most part, he does pretty good. I'm super proud of him. He was a little whiny because he was like, nah, I don't want to be in here. Or maybe he's seen all the feet and was like, I want to be around the feet. But who knows? Guys, we're not going to talk about this. But I want to bet it's going to be going my day, my birthday. So I'm not even worried about it. Oh, copyright. What's up, y'all? I'm back. So now we're going to the nail salon to finish my toes and get my nails done because I look childish as fuck right now. It's been raining like nobody's business. And it doesn't even rain in Texas. That's gonna be going on my birthday. Like, I'm just in such a good mood. And you know, the funny thing is most years I don't really put that much into my birthday. I don't say anything. I want to see who remembers. I want to see who gets me what, if people care. This year, I don't give a fuck. Heavy on the fuck about what anybody is gonna get me, what anybody gonna do, what anybody plan, because I hopped in the driver's seat and made this shit happen. So with that being said, I booked a makeup appointment. I got my outfit from Fashion Over. Y'all saw my options. I'm not gonna tell y'all which ones I'm gonna wear. You gotta keep watching to see. I got my clothes. I was gonna get the decor. I still might. I was gonna get like the birthday setup decor, like it's my own surprise party. Blow up the balloons and everything by myself. It's just, you can't, like, the lesson I'm learning here for chapter 25, one is to be stress-free, and baby, it is a blessing to be that. But furthermore, you got to stop waiting for somebody to do what the fuck you want to do what you need to do what you have to do what you feel in your heart that you're supposed to do. Baby, do it. And by all means, that is what I'm going to do. So cheers to 25. Baby girl is on a whole nother level, whole nother limit right now. Like, fuck with me. Y'all gonna be like, God damn, my birthday. I know. Before, I'm going for my mature color now. I'm just a little boy. Each day I grow some more. I'm such a cutie. I'm Milo. Milo. What's up, gang? I'm back with another motherfucking video. No, actually, this is the same video. But hey, y'all. So I am up early. Not really. I kind of slept in today because my job, they actually stopped being an asshole and gave me the day off. So I slept in a little bit just to get up on my rest. Sorry. Excuse me if I get T-bound today. But got up on my rest, and now I'm going to finish part 3 of getting my nails done. This is the 3rd and final appointment because I just kept going between like my lunch breaks and shit to get it done because I thought I had to work. Now I don't. So that is the before. Next time you see these hands, they're gonna look like some special hands. She said
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
B, now this is a birthday set of nails. Do you hear me? Bitch, back the fuck up. Okay. So, in addition to everything else that I got new for myself for my birthday, I had to give my baby something. And y'all, it's so cute. It came from Amazon. And it's a little pop-up playpen. We're going to set it up and see if he likes it. Does it have a little door on the front? That is super cute. Oh my gosh. It does have a door. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Oh wait, nothing. The zipper kind of fucked up right there. That's so cool. I'm gonna put his blanket in there, his little toys, make him a little setup. How stinking cute. So now when people watch him, he's not all over the place. But he has more space than he does in his cage. And the top is open. So cool. I think he's gonna go in the hole, y'all. Oh my gosh. He might go in there without nothing. No, he's just getting used to it. Let's put some toys in there. This is so stinking cute. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. Put his little blanket in there. Give him some toys. Look at him looking through me. Lord, he's trying to move it already. You want to come in? Come inside. Come inside. Oh, hey, Renee. You like it, baby? I thought so. Oh my God, that is so cute. Expose them to sounds early, then they won't be scared of things like that, and they'll sleep through it. So I'm back now. Me and Milo are heading to go get basically, you know, your girl's a demon out here in these streets. I'm a little Hellcat, so I'll be there shortly. There goes my little baby. He kind of upset right now. It's like he didn't want me to leave, but he didn't want to go nowhere either. It's like, look, you're about to control me and stay in the house today. It's my birthday, baby. We got to pop out and have a good time. So let's go get Lex, y'all. I think I hear an intruder. Like, what's the tea? What's really going on here? Like, what's the tea, y'all? Lex is here. Hey. Alright, so for my get ready with me, I use some regular old drugstore lashes. Never gotta do too much. Oh, I just use my lash glue, let it get a little tacky, and stick it right on my eyeline, you know. They do have eyeliner now that it makes it easier for application, like an eyeliner lash pen, but I haven't got that yet. Then I just do my eyebrows, nothing too drastic. I don't care if they look like cousins or aunties. And I go ahead and slide in my tongue ring. Gotta make sure I have the full flex, all bling. That's necessary, okay? And for my hair, I already had my locks done by Miss Ray Michelle. She's linked in my last video, so tap in if you're in the Texas area and would like to have your hair done by her. I just decided to put it up into a top bun, give it some pizzazz. And I did like to add my jewelry. Shout out to my bartender. He had to come through, show some love. This part is silent because I was playing a lot of music. And then I just take some edge control and go ahead and lay my edges down. It doesn't take much for them to get in order. And boom, there you go. There's my little hairdo for my birthday, part 1. Give it what it's supposed to have a game. Lex, where you at? Oh, come on.
To the ground, she a pussy clean, good scream. Nah, I can't give her nothing. I can't give her nothing. If she got good hair, I buy a Sonic slushy, but I can't give her.
Lex, what happened? Lex, what happened? What is that? Bitch, you get it with what? You know she been rocking about. Baby, I did not contemplate.
What you want to drink, Lex?
A Sprite.
A Sprite.
And this is after the club, y'all.
That's
Baby girl
all.
looking like,